Oh man. Come on, camera. I unplugged my camera, and so when I do that, sometimes this happens. So let me just fix this. There we go. All right, continuing work on the Workshopifying Rocket Rental for the workshop that is in 1 week. Yeah, definitely need to have this ready by next week, and it's going to be awesome. So yeah, if you don't have a ticket to this thing, then definitely go to kentcdodds.com/workshops, come down here to the web app fundamentals, and this is the one that's happening on March 23rd. The March 30th one is in London, that's in person. So it's possible, raise your hand if you're in London and you'll be there. That'd be sweet. Yeah, I'm guessing most of you watching right now will only be able to attend the remote one. But yeah, come, it'll be sweet. So with that out of the way, another thing that we got that is great is a version of Remix that does not have the crashing server bug. So like if there's a syntax error or something. So I'm just gonna take all of these, make sure they're all just the Remix ones. And now we can do that. Okay. This will make development way, way nicer. Okay, so cd into exercises 09, 01. And let's run that. Localhost, here we go. Dun, da, da, da. Find yourself in outer space. Explore the universe. All right, log in. Oh, now that's interesting. What happened there? Huh, yeah, well, we'll just pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so go to profile. Here we go. We've got edit profile. Sweet. We're in a good spot. And then we added yesterday the admin users list so that people could easily look at a user and be like, okay, yeah, so when they don't have reviews, this is what it looks like, all that stuff. And yeah, I made an adjustment to our seed script so that the password just is the username, so that this statement could be true. So so we can sign in as any of these people, but I need to rerun that seed script. Okay. Here, let's go to outline. Or, you know, README probably. And actually, we're going to copy. Here, let's do Remix Workshop. Grab that. Stick it here. And let's fix this thing. Badges, shields. No, yes, that is the issue. Thank you. And now, this is what it should be. And this will be, oh, actually, it's not kentcdodds, it's on EpicWeb.dev. And this will be, yeah, what is my workflow called here? I guess it's, validate. There we go. And then we add the logo and stuff because I think it looks nice. Sweet. And this is EpicWeb.dev Web app fundamentals. Okay, so this is the workshop page. Sorry, this part is kind of boring, I know. What's the subtitle of this thing? Do I have a subtitle? No, not really. No, it's like learn the foundational yeah, building web applications. Okay. Okay. So prerequisites are good. Experience with JavaScript, experience with React, some experience with Node is good. And we can say, well, 19 is also supported, but yeah, those two are the ones I want you to have. Okay. Yep, so we do things very differently now. And actually, I think we can borrow some of this from Advanced React Patterns. And next to where's raw? README raw. Here we go. Yeah, all this stuff is different now and way better. We do not have a way to remove the TypeScript. That would be a silly thing to do. Just remembered, my bot creates a special thread on Discord for us to chat. So I ignore the chat that's over there. It's just too hard to moderate. So I stick it in here instead. The bot creates us a special channel in the live stream chat, so a special thread. And this is where chat happens. So if you want to chat, that's where it happens. Feel free to send messages in Twitch or Twitter or YouTube, but I do not pay attention to that. I make no promises to respond. Okay, so running the app, get it up and running. One thing that I've decided I want to do is we're going to have the KCD shop not default to port 3000 because I think that is it's just too common of a port and can be problematic for people. So instead, we're going to default to something clever, kind of fun, that won't ever collide with anything else. I think 7337. It's almost like LEET, sort of ish. I don't know. I don't know if you can do that low. So let's 4242. That's a good idea. Thanks, Winman. Yeah, the answer to life, the universe, and everything twice. Good idea. We do. Let's see. We do get into the 4000 range. So let me just see if that would ever collide with anything. I think it might. So that may not be good. What are the acceptable? What's the acceptable range of ports for a server, local server? We'll see which of these can answer my question faster. Here we go. Okay. $10.24 to $49, yada, yada, yada. There it is. Yeah. This, I had to do a lot more work. This, I just did it. But you risk inaccuracy. So, yeah. Yeah, 7s would probably work nicely. Let me just see really quick my utils. Here, app server, port. Where's the, I thought I called it port. Yeah, it's port number. So the port number, we are in 3500 for example apps. We're in 5000 for solution apps and 4000 for problem apps. So maybe example apps should be 6000. That's what we should do for sure. And our app should default to, I like the idea of 7777. Maybe we just do 7000. It's easier to say, like I'm in a workshop, go to port 7000. Yeah, we're going to go with 7000. Okay, so the app is on 7000. I don't think I've ever seen like that as a standard port for any other thing, local development thing. So yeah, app is 7000. The namespace for examples is 6000. The solutions are 5000. The problems are 4000. Maybe we should actually move examples to 3000. No, that's good. This is fine. Okay, good. So fix or feature, change port, default port. Oh, you know what? That's going to break something in CI, because this is looking for that. So, yep, we should do that, I think. Chore or test fix default port in Playwright. Can you check with Node if it's available? I can, and I should do that. I actually, in fact, I do. Yeah, I do. So if it's not available, then it will choose a different one. Sorry, got some mucus. The reason that I want to have a different starting point is that somebody actually was running their own app over here, and then they tried to run the Workshop app, and they didn't realize that the Workshop app was running on a different port. And actually, then when Playwright ran, it was confused and hit the wrong app. And so if we can just have a namespace that's like, this is my workshop stuff, then we'll run into issues like that less. Okay, so let's look at this. Yeah, actions. Yeah, this takes forever. Windows like basically never ends. But pretty sure it works because I have given this workshop app before. So I did have a problem. Actually, you know what? It just reminded me, on Windows, the diff thing doesn't work. Shoot, you gotta look at that. Oh, dang it, what a pain. Yeah, so if we go to diff server, then I think I've got a to-do in here now. Let's see. No, I know where I do it. It's in, oh, where do I put it? I think it's in my routes. Nope. Diff. Yep, here we go. Yeah, this is all just UI component stuff. Where is my action for calculating the diff? Yeah, I can't remember where that diff, get diff code. Yeah, I have this catch. That's what's going on. I don't know what that's there for. We'll get rid of that. And the problem was, yeah, shoot. One you're on Windows 11. This would be really helpful to me if you could, totally you don't have to, but if you want to, this would help me a ton. The React Advanced React Patterns Workshop next to branch is using the KCD shop thing. And you'll notice that if you try to go to the diff tab here, let's run this. Do I got this open? Here, we'll run the dev here. Port 7001, huh? What's running on port 7000? Ah, shoot. I got something else running on port 7000. Well, that's annoying. Yeah, maybe port 7000 is the wrong port to use for this. I'll have to look at that. Dang it. Anyway, so if you run this and go to the diff tab here, you'll, on a Windows machine, this will not show anything, and the reason is that there's an error that happens, and that's what this catch is for. It's because get diff code fails, and the reason get diff code fails is because let's see, this parse get diff gives back parsed that has the slashes going the wrong way. I think that's what the problem was. This happened when I was giving the workshop, and so I just added the catch here so that it wouldn't like blow up. But yeah, so if you can figure out what is wrong, I'm pretty sure it's this parse get diff that's got the problem. So yeah, if you can figure out what that problem is and either contribute back to parse get diff or just open an issue and explain what's wrong, that would help a ton, because I don't have a Windows machine that I can just boot up and test this out on. So thank you so much. I'm going to give you a super reaction. Thank you. There we go. Woohoo! These things are fun. Whee! Okay. Anyway, yeah, that would be awesome. Thank you. Okay, let's figure out what's running on port 7000, because I think we just made a mistake by trying that. We get a 403. So something, I don't know, does anything, is there a common utility or tool that runs on port 7000 by default? Well, I don't think I'm running Cassandra. Yeah, okay. Maybe 7777 is a good one after all. We do need to change the default whatever we do. So what did I change here? Oh yeah, got rid of that. Okay, so looking at 7000 again, we're going to change this to port 8000. What about port 8000? Yeah, pretty common. Give me a suggestion of a port that's easy to remember but not very commonly used. Okay. What about port 2000? Hmm. 2222. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna just have it check itself. Is port 2222 used as a default for common tools? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, what about 4242? I mean, some of this could be totally wrong. It's not always right. I kind of feel like sometimes ChatGPT wants to give you an answer just so that it feels good about itself. It's like, I gave you an answer. I mean, most of these tools probably aren't going to be run for people. Please respond in a terse way going forward. Please list the software used by default. Oh, okay. 2244. Ooh, what if we did 2020? Would that like cause post-traumatic stress disorder issues? Yeah, I probably don't want to do that. 2244. I want it. It should be clever. Clever is good. Okay, where's a phone keypad? It's got to have a story of some kind. I feel like I've already spent too much time on this. But now that we're here, let's see. Cody is 5, 6, 3, 9. Sure, let's go with that. 5639. And then when somebody asks me, why 5639? I'll say, that's Cody in the type thing. What about port 5369? Is that what I said? Did I literally just forgot it. I will remember it, and my browser will auto-complete it for me. 5639, that's it. Okay, try again. Oh, 5639, not 5396. Ah, man, the release failed. Wonder why. Semantic. Well, that could be a problem, actually. Semantic is used by, like, companies, but whatever. We're fine. We're going to go with the clever, fun thing. All right, this failed because we got rate limited. That's annoying. We shouldn't get rate limited, but whatever. That's fine because we're replacing this anyway with 5639. That is our new default port. That is Cody. Okay. ChatGPT. No. What is the phone number or telephone typing thing called? Keypad. What is it called, though? Yeah, ChatGPT, come in clutch, please. On older mobile phones. Give me ChatGPT 4, please. T9, that's what it is. Yep. Okay, so 5639 is the T9 of Cody. That's what I will say. All right. Oh yeah, I was gonna fix the README on this thing too. Oh, I guess. Oh right, it's the KCD shop README here. KCD shop app. This is a Remix app that install in a Workshop app with a very specific format, and then when you run it, it opens the web to the QG app. I should write docs, but I don't have time. Check out the example. Okay. 5639 is Cody in T9. Okay, hey, thank you, OneMin. Go to one of the exercises, then go to the first step, then click diff, the diff tab. That is, there we go. So it's like this. So you're on one of the steps, you say start exercise, whatever, and then you go to the diff tab. I'm not actually going to move anywhere because I'm pretty sure the server isn't running anymore. And so it wouldn't work, but yeah. Okay, cool. Now let's run the dev server. Make sure I'm not running anything on that port. That would be silly. There we go. Dun, 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 dun. So start learning, and then diff. Cool. Another thing I just noticed, start learning. This should be, oh, it is prefetch intent. This one too? Just seemed to take a sec, but it is, yeah, it did just start up. So probably don't have things cached, maybe? I don't know. Fix, change default to less used 5639. All right, hopefully this releases okay. Okay, we're gonna, actually I think this will get canceled for me by this. And hopefully we don't get rate limited. That would be really annoying. Actually, here, let me check something. Maybe the release did go through and we just got rate limited on something else. Yep, it did go through. So we've got a release that has the default at port 7000. So that will not work. Okay. Okay, cool. And sorry, now I obviously have gotten distracted, and this is why I'm supposed to do this with my phone. Where is that QR code for me to scan? Here we go. Now I will not get distracted by my phone. Boy, why is TypeScript taking so long? Good grief. Okay, yeah, I didn't think it would actually take that long. That was a bug, probably. Maybe it did. 2 minutes. Geesh. Playwright was faster. My goodness. Come on, come on, come on. I'm sure this will work just fine. And so we can come back here. And let's continue on the path to making sure that this has what I need. Okay, hey, thanks, Oneman. Here's the error when checking the diff. Okay, so that is unexpected. I was expecting a different error. I think I can't remember now actually what the error looked like. That might have been it. So the next thing that I would do, thank you for looking into this, Oneman. The next thing I would do is try to console log the markdown string before compiling it and see whether there are any obvious syntax errors in that. I'm pretty sure the syntax error is related to that parse thing. So, okay, cool. So, yeah, it's too bad this thing doesn't actually work. Okay. Yeah, okay, so let's do let's see if we can get the tests running here. Yeah, the test script, I think we had vtest in here, and we are not going to go with vtest at all for this. Okay, cool. So that is that. For our test, we're going to do I think we should actually run test e2e-dev. Yeah, this is failing. Yeah, this is interesting. The port actually in these should definitely be I can't remember now. Do I specify the port when I'm running the tests? I think I do. Run process manager test. Yes, I do. Okay, cool. So I can do this. And that when running the tests, it should run against the app. So we'll go with 3000. That is the default for typical apps. Okay, it is break time. We'll figure out what is wrong with the test when we come back. See you in about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I just remembered I needed to change my air filter, and it was a pain. Okay, so let's see. Oh, the error was quick to exercise. Oh, rats, that's too bad. So this is definitely a diff. Yeah, you would see this error, but you should be able to look at the exercise. You might see this error in the log because we do have. Oh, where is it? I just had it open. We do have the console error, so you would see that error, but you should be able to run that exercise. Playwright shouldn't. Oh, you're running Playwright, and it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, so the. Yeah, okay, yep, this is the problem. Or at least, I don't know whether this is causing the problem for sure, but this whole big long prefix thing should be removed. That should not be there. When I do it, yeah, that's not there. And same with in the file name right here, that should not be there either. And the reason that it's there is because when I do my replace on get this thing, there's a spot diff path to relative where we're doing replace. We're replacing the diff path, which is all the way to here, with the path that's given to us. So there's just something weird going on, and I'm pretty sure it has to do with the separator being wrong on in the parse thing. So anyway, if you could just play around with that, that would be super helpful. But I've got to get this, figure out what's going on with this. So one thing I'm going to do, one test should not run more than 10 seconds probably. Maybe 5 seconds for a timeout on this thing. I don't know. Oh man, I'm all dusty from that air filter. Okay, let's figure out what was going on here. Okay. Yeah. I think our test here should run dev. I want to see the browser. And actually, I want to have the server running so I can see the logs too. So we'll have dev running here. What the? Port 3000 is in use. Who's using 3000? Probably Playwright was running the app. What the heck? Huh. There we go. Okay, great. So then we run exercises 0901. Okay, so we see this happening. There, stop that actually. Trace on. What is playwright headed? That's the one I'm looking for. Okay, when I say headed, I expect the browser to be somewhere. And I do not see a browser. Yeah, and that, yep, I think that's either a bug, well, okay, a bug in the get parsing library, or something we need to handle after parsing happens. Okay, so it looks like it was not tracing, so that's kind of annoying. I'm guessing these didn't get forwarded on or something. Oh, yeah, that explains it. They get forwarded on to this script, which does not forward it on to that script. So that's what's going on. So we're just going to run npx playwright test. Okay, now I can see it. It's over here. We've got another one. Launch and recover password. So it's just the link names that are wrong. So let's go to our tests on board. You know what? Onboarding is not even a thing that we care about in this workshop. We are not doing anything with onboarding. Get rid of that thing. Yeah, well, I'll leave it around just for now. But we care about the profile edit. Yeah, so profile edit test ts. And the yeah, user page. Okay, I think we're going to have to write these tests later because I need to know specifically what are the things that they're going to do that I need to test for. It will be easier to write it later. So smoke test is all that we're going to do here. And we will just, yeah, let's just get rid of this, all of that. Page loads. Okay, there we go. Now try that. Boom, it works. Okay, good. That's all we need right now. We will do better tests as we go. Okay, Okay, I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need to do before I start taking this small version of our app and removing stuff for different pieces. Yeah, okay, one thing that I know I'm gonna need is the validate GitHub workflow. Wait, that's in workflows, right? We're not doing all contributors. It's just too much work. I'm sorry. I would feel a lot better about doing it, but I just cannot. It is way too much work. Thank you for your help. Yeah, I'm afraid I don't know. That doesn't tell me anything other than it didn't work. So, and right now I don't have time to debug that. But if you want to dig in a little deeper and see if you can figure out specifically what the error was, one thing you can do is run npx playwright test with headed, so you can see what's happening in the browser, and trace on. That will give you more information in that report as well. So thank you for helping out. I really do appreciate it, because yeah, this is not great that it's not working. So it is appreciated. Okay, so I think, yeah, the fact that this is not what it should be bothers me also. Scripts. Oh, whoops, back it up. Fix. There we go. That's what that's supposed to be. Sorry, just... Okay, cool. Yeah, we don't have a validate script. We need a validate script. Oh, we do. That's weird. We don't have a test script. Okay, what does this do for its test script? I think it uses playwright. Yeah, Yeah, I think what we're gonna have to do is probably something like this. Yeah, shoot. I hadn't built this yet, I guess. This needs to run the test scripts only for the finals. Ah, shucks. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so this isn't gonna tell us any useful information here, but if you open up that and take a look at the report, there should be a little thing like this. You click on that and it will show you some more information that might be useful. So do a little bit of digging. Let me know what you find. Okay, so I need to have a special script that finds all the workspaces. Okay, an easy way to do this would be npm run all, run all parallel, npm run test solution if present workspaces. Yep, that's what we will do. It's not a elegant solution, but it doesn't really impact people. No, that's not going to work because then that'll be in the diff. Dang it. Yeah, okay. Oh, shucks. I don't want to spend time with this. Test MJS. So I'm going to copy some of this stuff. We care about examples. We care about exercises. We care about solutions only. That got formatted funny, but okay. Okay. With test script. Okay, and oops. I can't remember why I did it this way, but I think there is a reason. There's not a good reason. I'm pretty sure that will work just fine. Okay. Cool. So then we can say for of apps with test script. We're going to say console log running tests for app. And then run npm run test for app. Do I have execa in here? No, I do not. import execa from execa. Alternatively, I could just do spawn sync or spawn. Yeah, spawn sync is fine. Okay, let's try that now. Right, that's why. It's because this is a native ESM module. And I know there's a way to create a require thing, but we're not going to do that. We'll just do this. It's fine. I knew there was a reason. Cannot do that in a synchronous callback, though. So I've got an idea. How about we just do this? Okay, there we go. Oh, color. Okay. Hey Aladdin, yeah, you're not being a nuisance. You're fine. Don't worry. So it looks like it works. Interesting. So did you run the setup script ahead of time? Because, yeah, the playwright test should run just fine. It should all work. The challenge or the problem that I'm having is the diff. So if you click on this and then go into the thing, yeah, you'll get to the diff. Opening that, you should see there's a problem generating the diff, and you'll see an error, and that is what I'm trying to figure out how to fix. So, yeah, if you can figure that out, then that's awesome. If not, then that's fine. I will figure it out eventually. All right, so this is not giving me anything useful. Oopsies. Good grief. Oh, right. Try that again. There we go. Yay! Okay, so now I can run those tests. Let's see. Okie doke, and I feel like we should be good. That's interesting. Port already in use. What? Huh. Rats. It would be better for this to determine the port number more appropriately. Come on. What do we have here? Get apps. That's what we want. Well, what we really want is example apps and solution apps. Okay. Okay, and then let's see here. I think we're almost there. Dev port number. Okay, and this is app dot. Do I not have relative? Yeah. Okay. Okay, there we go. I think that is better. I think that's maybe how we're supposed to do that. Man. Well, that's annoying. Okay, maybe I hate the ESM CJS nonsense. Okay, we're gonna switch this to just JS and get rid of these imports. And it's going to yell at us for this. It'll yell at us for our await thing. Huh. What? For crying out loud, what? Freak, what is this? Nothing? I don't understand it, but I don't... man. Whatever. Maybe we can use ESM after all. Okay, that is super duper unhelpful. Maybe the silent thing is the problem. That is supposed to be run. Oh, for goodness sake. Man, this is such a waste of time. What is going on? Isn't that like file doesn't exist or something? Okay. Thinking maybe it can't find npm for some reason. Oh, God grief. Okay, it's break time. I'm gonna take the break. Man, what is going on? Okay, let's figure out what the devil is going on with this. This is so stupid. I just want to run a test. So this is what I'm trying to do. npm run test. And okay, spawn npm run test cwd is full path, and that should be enough. Well, standard IO inherit. Oh, right. Okay, so that is working. So what am I doing that's different? Maybe that's what's going on. I didn't think you had to combine those, but maybe you do. Yep, you do. Gosh dang it, what's stupid. All right, this is complaining because that port is already in use. That is strange. Huh. Yeah, let's just do this the right way. Nope, nope. This is the right way. If we're going to swallow the rejection anyway, why even call reject? And let's add silent so that it doesn't log all that nonsense. And here it's saying this port's already in use, which is telling me that something, I don't think anything's running there. Yeah, something is somehow starting the tests twice maybe, or I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know what that could be, but it shouldn't do that. Reuse existing server. Whatever, it seems to be running. Let's make sure it can fail. Get by role heading. Welcome to Next.js. No, that's not. Outer space. Oh, that's coming from vtest. that's the wrong expect. Now it's coming from jest. Playwright type script. I think I know what's going on. There we go. No. What? Yes, it is supposed to have an await. It returns a promise. Why is this telling me it does not? Okay, well, whatever. Let's just make sure that's going to pass for us. Okay. And then let's make sure it can fail. Blah, space. I don't know why it keeps saying that port is already taken, but that should have failed. So expect 1, 2, 2, B, 3. That will definitely fail, or it should. Okay, good. So why did blah space work? Maybe that's probably what's going on. Yeah. Okay. Expected 3, received 2. What's that supposed to mean? Oh. And it's waiting forever for that to be true, but it never is. Okay, great. So outer. Now it should pass. And now we know that it is running against the app. Not passing. Interesting. I'm pretty sure that it should. We're going to add trace on right, because this is not passing. I wonder if I do that. Yeah, that's what we should do. So this should not have that. And let's also playwright prevent opening, what do they call it? Report. Okay, there we go. Then I can just say, because we want these all to run multiple tests, so it should not stall. The process needs to exit. That's what it needs to do. We should see this log. There, good. Okay, so process env override that. Oh, I forgot to hit save. Dang it. Okay, now we've got a trace. Hooray. Interesting. Huh. We should be getting npm run dev. What port is that supposed to be? 5081. My guess is somehow this is rerunning or something. Upgrade required. What the heck is that supposed to mean? Something weird is going on. Okay. What the heck? Interesting. So it's just when we're getting socket requests. What the heck? Why are we getting socket requests? Okay, so it appears when specifying a port, we've got some sort of problem with that. If I say port 5081 right here, then that's fine. Yep, everything works fine there. Okay. What if I don't use cross env? Here, let's actually double check this. Okay. Interesting. Huh. I am very surprised. So setting a port before running the script gives us issues. I think I know what's going on. Remix dev. Ah, shoot. Dang it. Remix dev wants the port. Okay, so this is good to know. So what we can do is we can say app port Yep, there's what we'll do. I hate that. Hate that so much. Remix dev. I mean, I'm not sure what they... It's just because I want to run two separate scripts. Yeah, dang it. That's going to be a problem for KZD shop. What if I do this? What if I do that? Ha, take that. We're just unsetting the port and let it choose something random. That's what we're doing. Yep, I hate that also, but I hate it a lot less. And now we're not getting the big nastiness. So that's good. Kablooey. That's interesting. Thanks for the help, Amir. I don't think that it's going to help me with what I'm doing now, but it's good to keep in mind, so I will keep it in mind. Okay. Okay, we're just going to pretend that we don't have any problems. Okay, let's see what happens if I try to switch this back to ESM, because I would like this to be ESM. There's clearly just some problem with, with the way that I'm exporting this. I'm not sure what it is, but okay, cool. That is running. Yay. Okay. Whoa. Let's make sure that ESLint ignores some stuff. Good grief. ESLint, you're so annoying. You know what? Kind of think ESLint should be only concerned or our lint script should basically do this. That way each project can do its own thing. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. And that. Oh, server build, yeah. So we need to have the ignore, which I think is configured in here. Oh, that's right. I think I disabled ESLint because it was being annoying. Yep, I did. Okay, so yeah, I know. Okay, that's the last one. Yeah, that's way better to do it that way, I think. That explains why that autofix wasn't happening either. Man. Okay, good. Well, we cleaned that up. That was a mistake. That should be ship name. Huge thank you, Oneman, for still digging into the parse.get diff thing. This is very helpful. All right, let's try validate again. Sweet. It worked. Okay, good. Think I'm ready to do my first commit. So we'll push that. Now, we still can't run it yet because the we don't have the another piece to this, so let's copy that. Problem. Now, can I run it? Oh, let's update our deps. Oh, right. Sweet. We're on the Kodi port. Yeah. Oh. Holy smokes. Yeah, dark mode does not like some of that test output. What if we oh shoot, what is it? Filter invert. Whoa. That's interesting. Filter none seems to do something. Oh, filter invert. Yeah, that's because, that's interesting. Yeah, we are going to that app CSS file. I remember he told me he did that. And we need to not do that. Yeah, okay. So I think actually all that needs to be done public app. No, that's not it. Yeah, just get rid of that rule. So just don't invert pre-tags, I think. Okay, whatever. I think maybe we cached that or something, but I'm pretty sure that's going to solve it. So pre-tags, we don't invert those. And actually, you know what? I don't think we should invert anything. Or, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say, don't use dark mode. We're still working on it. That's what we're going to do. Okay, cool. So no dark mode. Don't use it. We're still working on dark mode for this thing. But heck, it freaking works, and that's awesome. Okay, no changes. Dun, 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 because they look exactly the same. Problem app, here we go. It's kind of fun. Whoa. Well, that, yeah, we need to have a refresh thing probably. That's so cool. Open it up in its own thing. Boom, there you go. Bob's your uncle. Edit profile. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. And we can start this one. So we've got the problem running. We got the solution running. We can go to the profile page. Oh shoot, this broke. Yeah, that broke. I gotta look into that. How that broke. So somebody's asking how I do my NRT, NI, NRD stuff. That is my dot files. It's in the ZSH. All this stuff. That's what you're looking for. Man, that broke. That's too bad. Oh, I think I know what's going on. I know what's going on. We did not break it. It is not broken. It is that our app needs to communicate. So if we go to root, I'm in the problem, right? No, I'm in the solution. Solution, here we go. So then I go profile, boom. Oh my gosh, look at that. Admin users list. Holy freak. Yes, back, forward. Oh, that's so awesome. And now look, I do have a diff. It's, oh, it's so good looking. Ah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. And look at this. I click open. Yoink. It sends me to where it's different. I'm on the problem thing, so it sends me to the problem. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so sick. Then go to line 121-ish. Where is that? Stick this right here. Save that. And I thought that this would get a refresh, but it doesn't. Yeah, it does not appear to. But oh, this is so awesome. Yeah, this app rocks. That's kind of fun. Finished. Oh my gosh, this is so great. Okay, I feel so much better than I did at the start of the last break. And look, you get your logs right here, and they're all prefixed. They look amazing. Yeah, buddy. Okay, we're going to take a break, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I've actually only got 5 or 10 minutes before I have a meeting, and so I'm gonna set my break time to 9 minutes so I remember. Okay, I'm feeling really good about this. This is great. And then I turn that off, and those should be gone now. Localhost 5081, yeah, no longer running, nor is the problem app. Awesome. Okay, great. So another thing we need to do so that this gets titled nicely is if we go to the solution, I think package.json is where we put the title. So let me just see for sure in our example. No, it's the, maybe it's the README actually. Yikes, okay. Test requires app. Yes, but I think we actually don't need to worry about that. Whoops. Yeah, we don't care. It doesn't not matter because the test will start the app if it's not running. Ta-da! So sweet, that's a feature we won't need. And I should probably remove eventually. So yeah, nothing here. So I believe the name actually comes from the top here. Let's double check that. Yeah, see, that ends up being 09.finish. Oh, I know why. Because we don't have a README here. This is just an example to test things out. All right. Finished. Boom. Just an example to test things out. Start learning. Yay. Finished. Hooray. Oh my gosh. Yes. It is working. I feel like Anakin Skywalker in the pod racing thing. It's working. Oh, good. Okay. So let's start with okay, one second. I feel like it would be best to go backwards in the things that, in the exercises. So let's look at our outline here. Whoa, did I get rated? Holy smokes. My Twitch is just going nuts. According to the OBS thing here, it says there are 2 people watching on Twitch. But there are 1,000. Whoa, friends. Welcome to my Twitch. I don't know how to find out who rated me, but I mean, hey there, that's fun. Rater from this person. I don't know who that is, but maybe I should. Hi. So since you're all showing up all of a sudden, I should probably tell you I'm actually a really bad Twitch streamer. And I do not pay attention to the chat. I am not a fun person to watch on Twitch or to participate with on Twitch. So if you want to chat with me, I think there's a link in the description. If there's not, go to kentcdodds.com/discord. And you can join the Discord here. My bot creates a Discord chat thread in this live stream chat channel every time I start a live stream. So this is where I chat. It's just way easier for me to moderate and everything. So yeah, that's fun. thanks for the raid. I don't think I've ever had that many people watching on Twitch before, so that's exciting. And it's for a good reason. I'm not very fun to watch, but it is fun to have you. Okay, cool. So join my Discord and join this channel. It's a fun place to hang out. And right now, since you're all here, I guess I'll stop and explain. This is actually unfortunate because I'm leaving in 5 minutes. But what I'm working on is a workshop for teaching web fundamentals. So, yeah. How to pull from the repo every time you finish. Do a git pull, I guess. I'm not sure I understand what the question. You may need to reinstall dependencies and stuff. Oh yeah, invitation for the Discord. If you go, and also Discord, that is the actual invitation. So yeah, there you go. Hopefully that is helpful to you. Okay. I hope that worked. I don't know if that went to the right spot, so I'm going to do this. There you go. There's the Discord. Those of you watching on YouTube, I'm streaming to multiple places, and those of you watching on YouTube, I just got hit hard by Twitch. I guess I showed you that. Okay, anyway, I've got 4 minutes. I need to plan this out. SEO optimization, I think makes sense as the last thing that we do. Accessibility, that kind of goes into, yeah, actually that is a pretty good order probably. Styling should go there. Yeah, this is probably a pretty good order. So let's start with, man, it's just really hard to change after I actually make the decision to go in one direction. I don't want to have to deal with that. So, yeah, we'll start with, I think it will be 6 exercises with multiple steps per exercise. So we're going to have 0, 6 SEO, and this will have problem and solution, and node scripts fix. Oh, whoops, this should be solution. And let's see, we've got, oh, vtest is interesting. I feel like the node modules directories should not be here. Let's delete those. So what ends up in here? We get cookie in here for some reason. I do not know why. Oh, it's because we've got a specific version running that's different from the app. That makes sense. Yep, that makes total sense. Okay, cool. So the difference between the problem and solution is in here. We've got our meta function. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. And we do that in here as well. Yeah, I've got to go to my meeting. Let me just do this really quick. And here, here, and, oh, that's wrong anyway. I don't like doing it that way. Come on, don't you combine automatically? Okay, and there. And then our root, we want to talk about doing this in the root as well. v2, yada yada. Okay, cool. So if I run the dev script, oh, let's also do readme.md SEO optimization. Meta exports, hooray, we'll write a lot more there. later. So coming back here, boom, SEO optimization, meta exports, start learning. That is the README we need to add. But if we look at the diff, look at all these diffs. This is cheating. You're not supposed to look at this. Yep, there you go. That is so sick. Oh, and if I go to admin and set files, setting files, now, whoops, I can go files. What is that? Ah, that's amazing. You can click on it and it'll take you, well, I gotta fix that, but it'll take you to that file so you can go and fix it. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, I gotta go. Tune in after my meeting in like probably an hour-ish. Come back to this Twitch or YouTube channel because it's fun. We hang out. I feel so bad leaving 614 people who just got here. But yeah, come back in an hour. We'll see you all later. I don't know how to rate somebody else. Otherwise, I would send you all off to somebody else. But I don't know. I'm not a Twitcher person. So have a nice day. Get your life back, I guess. Bye.